Welcome to RAGtech. I'm bringing you another tech review, although this one's a little bit different. I didn't see anything like this on the internet in English speaking, so I thought, well, I've got one, and I thought people might actually be interested to know what's in the box. So we'll do an unboxing and we'll do a little bit of a chat about it. So this is the Joseph Titan Trash Compactor. Now, I've seen this a few years ago and the price immediately put me off, although I thought it was amazing when I saw it. Let's talk about the price. Wait for it. RRP, you can find this for £180. I know, it's crazy, that is crazy. I found this one at my local hardware store for £158, so saved about £22 on the Amazon price. Now, before you go crazy over this price, let me explain, and this is how we justified it, right? For the last week, we've been through 3 different bins, all priced around £50 to £80, and they were all basically plastic of some part. And these 3 different bins, one arrived faulty, one ripped the bag as you pulled it out. I can't remember what the other one was. Anyway, so you're talking £50 to £80 for a standard price of a normal bin, okay? And so when you start looking at other bins at that price range and realise how rubbish they actually are, you start to think, right, well, you just have to bite the bullet. And one of the main things that made me bite the bullet for this is it comes with a 10-year guarantee. 10-year guarantee means that I'm effectively paying, hang on, let me just divide that by, yeah. If you bought this at full RRP at 180, you'd be paying £18 a year for a bin. And when you look at it like that, I don't think you can complain. I fully intend to ensure that this is registered, and at any moment given a fault, it will be getting reported to Joseph. So I fully intend for the next 10 years to stick by this. Anyway, right, let's stop talking. Let's get into this, shall we? So this is a 30 litre, I think, capacity of the bin, although how it compacts it all means that it times that by 3, so it boasts being able to get 90 litres. So inside we've got a welcome to intelligent waste. Let's have a quick look, see what you're getting here. Okay. So this comes with an odor filter. Just make sure you can see that. Ooh. So we've got an odor filter that goes on the top. I assume that helps, I don't know, smells. We've got, I think that's just 1, 2, 3. So it comes with 3 bags to get going with it. That's good because I was a little bit worried. And also the manual, I think, compactual waste, minimum space, how to do it, key features, yada, yada, yada. So there's that. How are we looking for a camera angle? Is this okay? Right. So the difference with other bins that I've seen is it's packaged properly. Right, let's put it straight up. There we are. Oh, you can't see it. I'm going to bring you down a little bit. Hang on. There we go. Let's get this open. So it's heavy. It's heavy, and that's a good thing. Although I don't know how to grab it. There you go. That is the handle. I've got it the wrong way around. Ta-da. So that's plastic. In you go. How are we looking? So, got a nice little soft cloth on the top here. Let's get rid of that. Soft close. Stainless steel top here. This looks like a hard plastic. Stainless steel here. Hard plastic there. Stainless steel pedal there. So, 1. It says 1, open. See, that felt sturdy. That felt like that's going to take my hefty lump of a weight to open that. And I think the idea is, that's where the filter goes in. The idea is to lift this up here, push it, and compact the waste. And and then I think you're done. So how do we get this out then? How do we just lift the bin bag out? Is that it? There's no inlet. That is it. There's no inlet. Let's get a bag in here. Because that is kind of one thing that does slightly worry me is, right, well, how's the bags going to work? Is it going to rip the bag on coming out? And I'll have to do a test and leave in the comments how we get on with the bag. So let's take a look at how we put the bag in. I've had to have a couple of attempts at this because I got it wrong. So we lift it up, do you know, keep your foot on the pedal, I think that's going to be easy. Lift this up and you need to put it in, I think, on the inside, like so. Then lift this up again. And cut it through on the, okay. So that's important, I think. So then you've got the bag completely open on both sides. Doesn't look like there's a risk, apart from maybe making sure the bag's a lot looser around, so you don't have this rising here. Although let's see, I mean, a normal person like me that's how they're going to use it. Let's see if it closes even with the lift on the back. Yeah, it closed. That closed fine. Oh, why do I always nearly break everything I unbox? Alright, so there you have it. That is the Joseph Titan Trash Compactor, which holds apparently 3 times more. Good Housekeeping Institute has got the stamp seal of approval on it. But anyway, if you want to know how I get on with this in everyday life, then leave a comment below and I can let you know how long we go without an issue. If you enjoyed this, if you appreciated seeing how this actually works in real life, then please do leave a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to see some more videos from me, just random tech reviews and stuff, then please subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Anyway, thanks very much. Take care. Bye.